Bonjour les amis, hi guys. Comme nous avons étudié E avec les différentes manières d'écriture, as we have studied E with the different kind of writing, we'll be learning how to use it. Thank you. Ok les gars, comment utiliser le E avec les accents? How to use the E with accents. Okay guys, let's learn some couple of words. First one is un, un, élève, un élève. Then une fête, fête. Le Noël, le Noël. Une fenêtre, fenêtre. Un éléphant, un éléphant. Okay, guys, also nouns are words ending by Y in English are mostly French. Also, and the Y is a in French. Examples, example. The first one, l'électricité, l'électricité, l'électricité. La propriété, la propriété, la propriété. La parité, la parité, la parité. And then l'humanité, l'humanité, l'humanité. La communauté, communauté. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.